It's going to be a porta potty re-review here of a home being constructed here off Seagull Road in Sandpiper Lane here at Emerald Isle, North Carolina. The foundation was just started on this last time, and now they got framing. Looks like the same porta potty, Blue Site Solutions. Let's go over there and check it out. Blue Site Solutions. Ooh. High smell of urine in here. Got some graffiti. No service. Hard to say when the last time this was cleaned. And 10 people will not fit in here. Got some more graffiti here. Junebug's Funhouse. A couple rolls of toilet paper. Toilet doesn't look dirty, but it sure smells in here. Got a grated floor. More air coming up through here. There's a urinal, looks very dirty. And I am leaning toward the back corner here. Let's go check a little bit on the outside. This construction looks like it's framed up. I'm not going to go up there. And this is on Seagull Road. There's a job site. And all in all, I'll give this a medium thumbs. Really leaning on the corner, as you can see. Sitting on skids. And this is off Seagull Road here. New home construction, Emerald Isle, North Carolina.